Hello guys, today we're going to open Taba squishy. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're going to open Taba squishies. I brought Taba squishies. Look. So I have Taba squishies. I have Taba squishies. Okay, so the first one we're going to open the black one. Okay, let me squish it. Squish. Look. Like this. And Dragon City. There's sprinkles. I don't want the sprinkles. I don't want the beads. To remove the beads. I'm gonna remove the beads. Okay, so okay. Look at that. Look, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look. Do you like it? It's so cool. I like it. Awesome. I have to let them in though. I have to. I only have two. So after we're going to I only have two. I'm sorry. Okay, next. I already bought this before. I already bought her. Same my daddy since I don't see this. Soft the daddy moon. So soft. It's so jiggly. It's so nice. Look. It's so nice. No. Is it my voice? Okay, so I like this. It's so cute. Let me open them both. Make sure you subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. No. Don't break. Whoa, it's going to break. Look. It's going to break. It's going to break. It's fine. I have two Taba squishy. This one's more soft. It's more soft. It's more soft. This one is more soft. This one is kind of hard. It's hard. But I like this color. Okay, so this is the most soft Taba squishy I never had. It's so good. I like it. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, okay, you have to like and subscribe. Let me keep this back. take this back. I have to take this back. So it's night already. So it's already praying time. I'm in Bahrain. I'm going to do this. Okay, the other one too. So squishy. This looks sticky and squishy. I like this one the most. Nope. What? So hard to close. Why is it so hard to close it? Okay. The winners are the black one. Because I really want this one, but I like this one the most. I like this one the most. Okay. So, bye. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye-bye.